Candy Bar Eggrolls with Angry Grandpa. Hey everybody, it's me, Sheen. Well, do you remember last year that we did Cooking with Angry Grandpa? Yeah, well, we're doing it again, actually. I know since nothing else is still going on, but that's okay. We're going to do some more cooking like we did when was last year? Yeah, it was last year probably. Or 2 years ago, I don't know. But anyway, we're going to do it again. So, because this time, it's going to be something really surprising. So, are you all ready? Great, because I remember a while back then we did taco pizza, but this is going to be something else. So, are you ready? Great, here we go. Angry Grandpa?
Today we're making egg rolls. But not just regular egg rolls. Candy Bar Eggrolls! Ha ha ha! Man, they're gonna be so good, they're gonna be so gooey and chewy. And everybody makes egg rolls, but nobody spices life like we do. Board here of candy bars. We got Reese's, both kinds of Reese's. We got whatchamacallit, we got Zeros, we got Snickers, Twix, Musketeers, Milky Ways.
You got it all.
And we got sugar wafers. So I tell you what, we're gonna start off by open a box. First we gotta open the Snickers bar.
What is all over that knife?
Oh, that's candy.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's candy.
Looks like hamburger meat, dude.
Ain't hamburger meat.
I think it is. I thought it was. I was testing.
We take the Snickers and we wrap it.
Whoa.
And we drop it in the grease and we start cooking that with candy bar.
How quick do you think it's gonna cook?
I have no idea. Your guess is gonna be as good as mine. That would have burned.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that, folks.
I'll just try another one while it's cooling.
Well, you gonna eat it?
Let it cool a minute. Where's my plate? Whatchamacallit? You know, this is something you can do with your kids and have fun doing. We're gonna try something new. We got a Milky Way.
Right.
And then we got some marshmallow cream. Oh my God.
Marshmallow cream and Milky Way. This is awesome, Dad.
Man, look at that marshmallow cream. Ooh, now. Whoa, whoa.
That was, I'm sorry.
Whoops, surprise. We're sorry, we're just joking around.
Got a popsicle here. Ow, got me.
It's too hot. This is the Milky Way with marshmallow. And it's from a Grandpa's spit. That's the best one yet.
Yeah.
This is the one to try at home, folks. Mmm. Whoa. Whoa.
Look at that.
Oh.
Wow. Try another pop. What is this?
It's strawberry.
Strawberry?
That's what I said, strawberry. Man, it's a dessert.
That's not candy. I don't know, but I bet it's gonna be good.
I bet it's gonna be amazing.
Oh my God.
Then we put the marshmallow in there. And then we try to wrap it up.
Oh wow.
Look at there. Look at there. That even looks good. Look at there.
Wow.
Oh my God. Egg roll strawberry pie. Mmm.
Let me try it.
That's gonna be it for today, youngins. Remember, subscribe to Grandpa's Corner for more videos like this. We're gonna be putting them up more, so I'll see you on the next one. And Michael, you can leave now. Bye.
See you soon. Thank you, Angry Grandpa. Well, wasn't that fun, everybody? Yeah. Well, I guess we can do that again sometime, don't you think? Yeah, and of course you can also try it at home too. You can get some, excuse me. You can get, like, of course, some kind of chocolate, your favorite chocolate, or favorite candy, and the doughy thing that you can make egg rolls. So that was fun, wasn't it? Yeah. Well, thank you for joining in, everybody, and we'll see you soon.